texture of this primer is no less than any high-end primer. This just instantly makes my skin so smooth.
Discover Mila Beauté the Flawless Makeup Primer. Primer for face makeup. Smooth and blurs pores with vitamin E and A for all skin types. Let's take a closer look at this innovative primer designed for all skin types. This oil-free formula smooths and blurs pores, creating an ideal canvas for your makeup. It's infused with nourishing vitamins E and A. Apply a small amount to clean skin before your foundation. Notice how it evens out the skin texture and minimizes the appearance of pores. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, this non-comedogenic primer works to enhance your natural beauty without clogging pores. Mila Beauté the Flawless Makeup Primer, your first step to a flawless look.